Hi guys! We're here at Baguio guys, Session Road. We used to be here long time ago na. Before the pandemic pa. No? Love no? Before the pandemic pa. Liam!
Liam was a little baby back that time.
Oh, Colleen!
Be more careful.
Colleen! Colleen, you're funny.
Oh my gosh.
Funny. Gotcha you. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Guys, ngayon lang uli kami nakabalik ng Baguio guys. After so many years na love, no?
I still feel cold. Give me a second.
10 years.
Mommy, I still feel
Ten.
cold. I'm not cold.
Almost 10 years pala kami guys na hindi nakapunta dito. Kasi ano eh, 1 year, hindi 1 year na si Liam noon. Or few months old. Wow, ang lamig.
So windy. Mommy, Baguio's air in the sky is only...
Baka mo,
Yeah, because...
makasipunin ako dito. Lamig.
Because Baguio, we didn't go to Baguio.
Lamig.
Lamig guys.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have storms here. No, it's not because it's not in the Philippines. Whoa,
Nahanap ko guys yung Starbucks dito. Dito kami nagkaka-coffee eh. Noon. Sa Starbucks, Session Road. Look, oh, Pikachu! Look, it's moving! It's moving, baby.
May car ha, may car ha.
Okay, let's go! Dirty yan! Don't embrace! Ay, may cut oh. Oh, dirty yan! Uy, Kelsey! Ito guys, yung Starbucks. Yun, Starbucks. Dito kami guys nagko-coffee noon. Kasama ko sa Arts and Literature Writing Workshop. Nag-workshop kami rito guys ng 1 week eh. Mga ano, English grammar, mga highfalutin words. Ang dami ko natutunan dun eh. Arts and Literature yun before publishing our book. After that, the workshop, we published our book. The author was si Professor Oscar Campomanes of Ateneo de Manila University. And then many of us contributed to that book. The name of the book was Critics. You can still buy that book at the University of Santo Tomas Bookstore, UST. Okay, we're gonna cross the road.
Cross the road.
Cross the road.
What's the jacket, please?
Okay, wait. Wow, there's a big...
You don't have to be scared.
Sa kalsada lang.
Put some coins. Put some money there, oh. Okay, we're gonna put some money. Yeah, wait.
What about that dog?
Okay, Mom.
What does the fish look like?
Mommy, give some coins there. Mommy, oh.
Give money to him.
Put coins there, oh, coins.
What does this looks like?
Wait, Mom.
Pupunta daw sila dito. Sabi ko dito tayo sa may KFC.
Wow! That's Tom. Hey, Tom. Tom.
Si Tom yan, oh.
Tom in the video. Tom.
Ay, si Tom is there.
Si Tom and Jerry, oh.
Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills. Ouch. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
I want to eat strawberries now. Strawberry. But what about the strawberries, Dad?
140 lang sa Quiapo to love, oh. Ay, guys, oh.
I want this for the baon. I want strawberries.
Ay, strawberry.
We didn't eat strawberries yet. So, okay, let's go.
Ayun yung ubi, oh.
No. But Dad, what about the strawberries? We didn't
We'll buy tomorrow.
My favorite.
Unless the crony.
I like Kurumi. Can I buy it?
No.
Daddy, can I buy that?
What?
Can I buy those flower keychain? Can I buy this for snow?
Come on, let's go down tayo.
Buy this? What about clock?
No, you got lots of small things in the house, eh. Kalat ka lang.
I don't like the eye.
Thank you. Look, oh, strawberry, oh.
Got the money.
Ay, look, oh. You know,
Stop!
keychain for the bag.
What about the strawberries?
Look, what's this, oh? Ano yan na to?
Yes. Strawberry chili pepper. I want chili pepper keychain. I want the strawberry with the back. Wow, I have it.
Okay, let's go. Put it back muna. Kasi hawak kayo ng hawak.
Look around you. Okay. Hello. Oh, it is so tiny.
Got eyes, oh.
Ew.
We're here, guys, at the Session Road, Baguio City.
Mom, can
The last time we were here was 2017.
Yeah.
Last time we were here, guys, was 2017. 9 years ago. Before the pandemic, guys. No, 9 years ago na pala tayo. Baby
Yeah.
pa si Liam nun, eh. Okay, that was the last
Yeah.
time. Hello. Hello. Nabla. Nablight.
I saw you at the messenger.
Saan na sila tati? Kita-kita kami dito, guys, oh, sa Baguio. Session Road. Our family.
It's easy because
Hindi ba mabangga kayo dyan? Hey guys, kita-kita kami, oh. Session Road, Baguio. Ang init sa Baguio. Damang suot ko.
Init, iginaw na ginaw.
Air ko naman, short ko naman. Short ko, ang nipis. Ang init sa Baguio. Kaya yung short ko, oh. Air ko lang. Tito J. Ay.
Pinasa kayo.
Sarap paglakad-lakad dito, guys, sa Session Road, Baguio. Dito, punta kami dati dyan sa ano, yung workshop namin sa Arts and Literature ng UST. Dyan sa, ano, Starbucks. Paris, nagmukhang ano na, kakolehiyala na. Kolehiyala na yung tsura ni Paris, oh. Yeah.
Return ng Kulyala. I saw there's a flower on this video.
Doon, tara, lagay natin muna yung sa sasakyan.
You already sikat ng araw.
Guys, dito raw kami nag-book ng hotel ng papa namin tsaka mama namin nung bata pa kami, guys.
Photo na yun.
Ayan, sa Prime Hotel. Tapos yung terminal ng bus dun lang, oh. So, lumakad lang kami ng konti dyan. Ewan ko kung dyan talaga yun, dun ba? Di ba dun? May isa pa kasi dun, eh.
Ganito kapunuwi ko ng building.
Alam ko may malaking restaurant yun sa baba, eh. Pero yung Summer Place, parang naalala ko rin.
Summer place.
Banda dun pa sa unahan. Medyo malayo-layo.
Kasi dati nakastay tayo sa session ko.
Dyan ba? Dyan daw, sabi ni Christy, eh. Siyempre siya ang boss ko. Diba?
Pagkayat eh.
Bayad agad na nasa utak ko to. Si attorney, Steve. Ga-attorney yan, guys. Okay. Dito kami, guys, ngayon sa night market ng Baguio.
White habanero. White habanero.
Ito, guys, yung night market na to, guys, napakatagal na nito. Sari-saring variety.
The floor is wet.
Floor is wet. Ay, may tao sa kahon. May tao sa kahon.
Look at those garbage.
Ayun.
Right, I saw a people fucking out in the box. Hey, how's that already? Daddy, why are you hiding in that box? Look at those wood carvings.
Oops, don't touch, might fall. Kalabaw, guys, so para sumipag. Para sumipag, guys, sa pagkatrabaho, guys.
Daddy, this is
Kalabaw.
so cute. It's a mini bag. Look.
Yeah.
Look. Daddy.
Yes.
Look how cute. Can I buy it? Daddy, can I buy this?
What's that?
It's cute.
Ito,
Look at the cup.
para pampaswerte sa office, so, guys. So. Ito, guys, pang fertility. Pang fertility to, guys, ito. Ito, guys, sa mga baog. Ito. Ayan.
Look at the raspberry.
Ano yun? Jack in the Box. In Filipino version. The Filipino version.
Mommy, she said another
Look,
one.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Pennies. Pennies.
Sige mo. You bought na? Ano yung binili? 200 yung ano?
Mommy, life gave me a gum.
Wow.
Yeah. There's a oh! Straw. Strawberry. You're walking
Saan sa kulay ni Kuchino?
Wala, brief. Guys, oh, brief. 50 pesos, 50 pesos. 50 pesos lang. Jacket, dami kong jacket eh. Dami kong jacket guys. Ilan yung leather jacket ko. Tsaka mga jacket. Hindi ko nga nasusuot eh. Eh maganda yung mga Ferrari. 350 lang yung sapatos oh. Mura talaga. Guys, mura talaga dito guys. Mga pajama eh. Tingnan ka naman eh.
Bago pa oh.
Dokal. Ang laki pala rito. Ang laki pala dito guys. Night market. Ito guys yung historical na landmark na to guys. Ito yung parang traditional rito. Yung night market. Ha? Eh, wallet na po. Ito guys, oh.
Liam.
Bili kami guys. Ito mga pagkain naman dito. Mura pagkain dito guys. 80 pesos lang, dami-dami. Anli Lomi. Lomi na paborito kong Lomi. Anli 80 pesos. Oh my God. Mura.
Thought I was dreaming about. I like eating a lot of food.
Yeah, well,
Malakas to bro.
ay, anong tawag dyan yung ano yun? Balon-balunan. Yun ba yun?